Alright. So yeah, I went for like an hour ride on that last mic check. And then deleted it all because my mouth was too close to the mic. My mouth was too close to the mic and it was sounding like shit. My back hurts. Oh. So I'll do one on the parkway with the chin strap in. Oh, and I've also glued a little knob on the chin strap as a little handle so I can put it in easier, which is cool, but that's not going to keep her in. It already fell out once. So, but I think that's because from me talking, my chin is like rubbing on it and pushing it around and shit. So I'm going to have to work on some ingenious method to keep it in place. I'll figure out something. Alright, here we go. Visor closed. Here we go with the visor closed. Gonna hit the highway for a second here. And see if the wind noise is eliminated. And see if y'all can still hear my voice. And see if this project is worth a fuck or if I should just throw it away. This douchebag was trying to not let me merge. Should I give him the middle finger? It'd be cool if I had an oil slick on the bike. Oil slick button and a smoke screen button. What was that video game that had that? Spy Hunter. That was one of my favorite video games of all time. Hit a button and hit some fucking spikes out the back so that asshole get all kind of flat tires and spin out. Then I go back and rescue his woman. And I get the fucker. Sorry. How's my laugh style? How's the wind noise? We see another cool thing about this knob I put on the chin skirt is I can just reach up and touch it, push it to make sure it's in. It's a lot nicer, is what I'm trying to say. Alright, I'm gonna go one more exit just to, ooh, I can feel that cool air on my balls. On my balls, baby. Speed around like that, Collin. You already get one fucking speed ticket. You don't need any more. It's times like these when silence means so if my singing's coming through good, then I know the microphone works. What did you think I sound like, a soprano or an alto? Oh, or a motherfucking lunatic? Haha. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So, I don't know. Sounds good in here. If this is a success, I'm gonna buy myself a beer tonight to celebrate. Or if you're around town, you can come and buy me one. Is that a... Holy shit, that little kid bent over. I thought that was a turkey. Go. Go. You old motherfucker. Old people. Should they drive? News at 10. I'm glad my mom decided to just voluntarily quit driving. I mean, that would be rough for me, or like, I would think most guys, that would be pretty rough for, because, you know, pride and all that. But, a lot of old people just fucking, should not be out here. Seriously. Just making shit funky, gumming up the works with that slow shit, thinking it's safer when it ain't safer at all. Like, at all. You're making shit worse. I remember my mom and my aunt, her little bit younger sister, but they're both old ladies. And I say that with nothing but love. But they're both old ladies. They went to somewhere, and then my aunt was driving, and they were on their way back, and it was nighttime. And my little brother called me, and he was like, "Is Mom home?" And I said, "No, why?" I said, she went to the casino with our aunt. And he said, "Yeah, I just rode past them on the fucking highway, and they were going like 12 miles an hour and had a line of people, cars behind them, blowing the horns, pissed off, flipping them off and shit." And he, I don't know how he got past. They were totally clogging up the parkway because my aunt was like scared. And I'm just like, see, that shit's bad. It's just bad altogether. I'll have money and just be able to have somebody drive me around. Fucking catch Ubers everywhere or something. Who gives a shit? But, yeah. So that's that. Yeah, this person in front of me is an old person, and I don't get mad. I don't road rage and blow my horn and flip them off or nothing like that. But it's frustrating for sure. I would not fucking deny it. I'm not sure, but that might have been my baby mama. That might have been my kid's mom behind me back there. One thing, since I put tape on the fucking visor, or on the inside of the helmet over the vents, my visor is starting to fucking steam up. That along with the chin skirt. If I take the chin skirt out, I'm sure it'll probably get better. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and take the chin skirt out now, because I'm going slow now anyway. I want to see what it sounds like without it. Boom. Got that handle on there. Comes out like a dream. Ooh. So hopefully the visor will unfog now, because I made it basically a fucking sweat lodge in the helmet, and I can feel the air coming in now. So yeah, that chin skirt definitely makes a difference for sure. Because it was looking all dark. Yeah, that shit really fogged up. Damn. So that's another problem. If I put the chin skirt in, the shit fogs up too much. I don't know. Whatever. Like I said, it was just a temporary thing anyway. I get a real motorcycle microphone here whenever I get some money in. This road always scares me because of gravel. And I used to walk up this road at night, and you talk about cars come flying. There'd be fucking mean-ass dogs on this road and shit. Come out of the woods over here. Crazy. And the cops. It's a fucking cop trap up here because people come speeding. Drunk motherfuckers at night and shit. Yeah, I don't know. And it's always 10 degrees colder in this valley right here. Right here is where the cops sit. And I mean, it ain't hard because you can't see them when you're coming around this corner or that corner back there. So they pop people all the time. And then they've another sneaky place they sit is right here. You catch people coming from that way, speeding. They got some built-in sneaky ass places that they can chill and post up and stuff. It's times like these when silence means everything. So I was saying before on the last mic check. Ooh, it stinks. I was saying before on the last mic check that bike's up for some maintenance. The motherfucker, when I started it up today, was acting all weird, like it didn't want to go nowhere. I think it's just because it's cold out. Like, it got cold. It's like 50 something right now, I think, which is, I mean, it's lovely, beautiful weather, but with the modifications I did to this bike, taking out the cat and the fuel controller, all kind of shit, it acts weird whenever it gets cold sometimes, and it'll shut off, and that's what it did. But then after riding it a little while, he's purring again. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, motherfucker needs maintenance. So since it's getting cold here, as soon as I get a paycheck at my new job, I'm gonna do the oil change. I'm gonna do an air filter. I'm gonna do coolant flush. I need new tires. Man, I feel like a coffee right now because it's cold and shit. I got on a hoodie and shorts. But yeah, the bike's definitely due for some maintenance, and I want to get my suspension adjusted. I did it once myself, and I'm pretty sure I fucked it up. But I've just been riding it that way ever since.